year 2025, how this year will go down in the records of history. From my point of view, it is very unfortunate that we have seen the rise of violence everywhere, from Ukraine to Gaza, from Gaza to Sudan, and from Sudan to Nepal, Bangladesh, and now a very heartbreaking incident where a youth has lost the life. It is all the more heartbreaking that there are various narratives from racism to anti-nationalism. Now, the point which I want to make is the incident that has happened in Dehradun should not be seen as an isolated incident of violence. It is the part of the wider violence that is happening around the world. Unfortunately, we are living in the age where the violence has become new normal. The least that can be expected is from the India or from Indians, considering we are the land of Buddha, we are the land of peace, we are the land with the worldview of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I do not know what exactly are the facts on the ground. In time to come, definitely we will get deeper into the facts. But if we are seeing the incident in an isolated sense, going for cause in isolation, we may be missing out the wider picture. We have to understand the psychology behind the violence, where violence is rooted. If I talk with reference to certain philosophers like Erich Fromm, the psychology of violence is a part of the culture of capitalism, because capitalism dehumanizes man, it alienates us. If I talk from the perspective of Frantz Fanon, the post-colonial thinker, the violence is the phenomena of colonialism, somewhere deeply rooted in the third world, which gets reflected in the form of frustration. And if I talk with reference to Hannah Arendt, violence reflects the rising totalitarian where human conditions end and man becomes mass. Let police investigate, let judiciary takes its course, but as the intellectuals, as the members of civil society, it is a time to think the wider aspects of violence, finding the deep roots and making all attempts so that the year 2026 is a year of peace, prosperity, interconnectedness, safety, and above all, where humanity wins and humanity survives.